With its versatile capabilities and sleek design, this grill offers a new and improved way to prepare delicious meals right from your countertop. The intuitive display of the Ninja EG201 Foodi grill makes it easy to achieve perfect char grilled results. Utilizing the innovative cyclonic grilling technology, this grill uses 500 degrees cyclonic air to perfectly cook or char grill your food, giving you those delicious char grill marks and flavors you crave. The smoke control system of this grill ensures that your cooking experience is smoke-free. With its 6 versatile functions, this grill offers a wide temperature range to cater to your cooking needs. You can now enjoy healthier meals with using the air fry function of the Ninja Foodi grill. The included 4-quart crisper basket allows you to air fry crisp foods with less oil, achieving the same crispy texture as deep frying but with significantly less fat. With the Ninja Foodi grill, you can transform frozen foods to perfectly char grill meals in under 25 minutes. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi indoor grill is a versatile and convenient cooking appliance that brings the joy of grilling to your countertop. Thank you.